Message not delivered iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can solve if the messages are not delivered on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If a message doesn't deliver on an iPhone, it could be because the recipient's phone number is off in do not disturb mode or doesn't have an active internet connection. So that could be one of the issue, which means that if one of you is not connected to the internet, especially on iPhone, you both might have iMessage turned on, which means that it is not using a balance but the internet to text with each other, so which in this case means that you cannot text them. Now one thing that you can try to do is you can actually try to turn on or turn off iMessage depending upon whom you're trying to text. So you can open settings, go to messages. If it is turned on, turn off and try to message. If it is already turned off, try to turn it on and try to message that person and see if that actually helps it, because most of the times it is definitely the issue with iMessage. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix message not delivered on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.